Assalamu alaikum students. How are you all? Here is your science teacher and today we study about unit number 7, work and machines. In our previous lesson we have studied about the machines. Now today we study about the work. There are many things in our life that move fast. So you can see here the things that move fast, like this ship, this move fast. This is a train. It needs fuel and then it move fast. And here is car and an aeroplane. These all things move fast. Now there are many things around us that move slow. You can see here this is a tortoise. It moves slow. Fish also moves slow. This is a wheelchair and we push or pull and then it moves slow. Like that chair. So baby crawl, then it moves slow. This is a board that we need energy to move it and then it moves slow. Clouds, snail, these are monkeys or other. There are many things around us, they move slow. We can move objects by pushing or pulling. In our daily life, you see many examples in which we move the objects. Sometimes we push the objects and sometimes we pull the objects, then it moves. So look at another examples. You can see here an object cannot move unless we push or pull it. Look at some example here. You play with your toys, then you use your push or pull force and then you move your toys. When you go for fishing, then also you use your push or pull forces to move the objects. When we pluck flowers, so we also use our push or pull force to move the flowers. When you open the door, you use your pull force, and when you close the door, you use your push force and you push the door when you want to close the door. Look at this cart. This horse is pulling the cart and it is using its pulling force, then this cart will move. And when you play the tug and war game, you also use your pull and pulling force. Then here the train and this engine is pulling this cart. So like that in our daily life we use our push or pull forces, then we move the things. So now we study what is work. So we do work when we push or pull something. We have studied some examples that we use. Sometimes we push and pull the things. So when we use push or pull force, that means we are doing work. So work is we do work when we push or pull something. That means it's not mean that we do only work when we take any heavy load. When we write, when we play, when we eat, so all these things we need force and then we use our push or pull force, then it means that we are doing work. So look at some other examples of work. This horse, it is pulling the cart, it is doing work. you are pulling your trolley bag, so that means you are doing work. This boy, he is fishing, so that is he is doing work. He is using the pulling or pushing force. This boy, he is pulling the cart, so that means he is doing work. So when you pull your dog, so that means you are also doing work. So the girl is closing the door, so he is pushing the door, that means he is doing work. This lamp, it using the electricity to work, so this is doing work. So these are all examples in our daily life in which we push or pull things, so that means we are doing work. So work means when we push or pull the things, we do work. So if we want to start or stop the movement, we need to push or pull the objects. So when we want to move any object or when we want to stop any object, so we use push or pull force to move or stop the objects. So that means any movement need push or pull force in our daily life. So without push or pull, we thank you so much. From this video, you can understand what is work. So work means when we play, when we run, when we eat, and when we do anything in our day life, that we are doing work. So again, thank you so much. Stay home and stay safe.